Hello viewers! We are aware that childcare, school drop-offs, practices, and other obligations occupy your time. So we're here with professional recommendations to help your family's everyday routine. We're delving into the heated argument between two well-liked options for family cars today, minivans and SUVs. For more than 30 years, Edmunds has assisted families in making decisions. And now, we've partnered with CarMax to help you locate the ideal used family car. So, do you support the SUV or the minivan team? Let's examine it more closely. Sliding doors are a notable characteristic of minivans, which are designed with families in mind. This keeps children from inadvertently colliding with neighboring cars, which is especially useful in confined parking areas. Younger children benefit greatly from power-operated sliding doors because they don't have to contend with heavy doors or difficult-to-reach handles. Additionally, it is considerably simpler to install and remove car seats thanks to the broad door opening. The Honda Odyssey, which can accommodate 3 child car seats in the middle row, is a fantastic example of a family-friendly minivan. Children may now more easily access the third row thanks to the Odyssey's novel seating options, which include detachable seats and outer seats that glide side to side. When necessary, you may even move the seats forward to keep kids closer. One drawback is that, unlike many other minivans, the Odyssey does not have ceiling-mounted air vents, which are more efficient in cooling rear-facing seats. Minivans also have a lot of room for cargo. Strollers and other items may be stored in the Odyssey, and the third-row seats fold flat for even extra space. Life is also made easier with family-friendly features like a built-in vacuum and rear seat camera. Last but not least, minivans use less petrol, which allows them to save money for family expenses like vacations. SUVs, however, have a few unique benefits of their own. An SUV can be a better option if you want more ground clearance and off-road capability. With greater ground clearance and the option of all-wheel drive, mid-size 3-row SUVs such as the Ford Explorer and Toyota Highlander are excellent substitutes for minivans. Because of this, they work better in places that get a lot of rain or snow. SUVs, however, fall short of minivans in terms of available room. They are not as roomy as minivans, despite having 3 rows. Accessing the third-row seats is frequently more difficult in SUVs, and the seating and storage spaces can feel more confined. SUVs, however, come with a wider range of options, including hybrid models that can reduce fuel consumption. The Chevy Suburban is an excellent choice for individuals seeking a bigger, more potent SUV. It's enormous, standing 6 inches taller and more than 1.5 feet longer than the Honda Odyssey. Despite the fact that many people enjoy driving a truck-like vehicle, SUVs like the Suburban are difficult to park. Additionally, it may be more challenging to hoist strollers or get children into the back seat due to the higher ride height. The wider doors of large SUVs, such as the Suburban, can be challenging to open in confined parking spaces. In addition to being heavier, these SUVs use more petrol to operate. Many 3-row SUVs are capable of towing significantly more than the 3,500 pounds that minivans can. For instance, the Chevy Suburban has a towing capacity of over 8,000 pounds, which is a significant benefit when towing a boat or a trailer. Which one do you like best? What is the best choice for your family? It truly depends on your priorities. Is it obvious that a minivan is a better option if you value practicality above all else? However, a mid-size 3-row SUV can be the best choice if you frequently need to tow, require additional options, or want a car that is better suited for rainy or snowy weather. Go for the larger versions, like the Chevy Suburban, if you truly need the added capability of a huge truck-like SUV, but be ready for the difficulties that come with their size and price.